Chapter 6 Work to Learn, Don't Work for Money. Chapter 6 is called Work to Learn, Don't Work for Money. In this chapter, Robert Kiyosaki explains that many people choose jobs only because of the salary. Rich Dad teaches him that this is often a mistake. Instead of asking, how much money will I earn? People should also ask, what will I learn? Rich Dad believes that learning new skills is one of the most important parts of becoming successful. Money comes to and goes, but skills can stay with a person for life. When Robert was young, he noticed that many people worked in the same job for many years. They became very good at one task, but they often lacked other important skills. Rich Dad warned him about becoming too specialized. A person may become an expert in one area, but struggle in other areas that are also important for success. For example, someone may be excellent at making a product but not know how to sell it. Another person may know how to sell but not understand finances. Rich Dad believes that successful people develop many different skills. They learn about communication, sales, management, investing, accounting, and leadership. One important lesson in this chapter is that education does not stop after school. Many people finish school and believe their learning is complete. Rich Dad disagrees. He says that successful people continue learning through their entire life. Every job can teach valuable lessons if people pay attention. Sometimes a job that pays less money can teach skills that become extremely valuable later. Rich Dad encouraged Robert to choose learning opportunity, not just high salaries. Another major lesson is the importance of sales and communication skills. Kiyosaki explained that many talented people struggle financially because they cannot communicate with their ideas effectively. A person may be smart, creative, and hardworking, but if they cannot explain their ideas or persuade others, suggest may be difficult. Rich Dad says that communication skills are valuable in almost every profession. People who can communicate clearly often have more opportunities for leadership and business success. The chapter also discusses the fear of rejection. Many people avoid sales because they are afraid of hearing no. Rich Dad teaches that Rejection is a normal part of life. Successful salespeople understand that not every people will agree with them. Instead of becoming discouraged, they continue improving and learning. Rich Dad believes that overcoming fear helps people grow stronger and more confident. Another important skill is management. Rich Dad explains that successful people learn how to manage money, time, people, systems. Good management skills can help people achieve their goals more effectively. The chapter also highlights the value of understanding accounting. Accounting helps people understand where money comes from, where it goes, without basic financing knowledge. It can be difficult to make smart investment decisions. Rich Dad encourages Robert to learn at least the basics of accounting even if he does not become an accountant. Kiyosaki also talks about leadership. Leadership inspires others to solve problems and make decisions. Rich Dad believes uh, that leadership skills can be learned through practice and experiments. People who develop leadership abilities often have more influence and opportunities. Another lesson in this is that fear often prevents growth. Many people stay in jobs they dislike because they are afraid of change. Rich Dad understands that change can be uncomfortable, but he believes that learning new skills is worth the effort. Sometimes moving to a different job or learning new skills can create better opportunities in the future. The chapter explains that wealthy people often focus on building knowledge in many areas. They do not rely on only one skill. Instead, they develop a broad understanding of business, money, and people.